Coin Investment Trust, or CIT for short, has released the latest installment in the Cook Islands' phenomenal Shades of Nature series. The Shades of Nature series, which is currently in its 4th year of issue, having begun in 2014, combines the CIT's smartminting technology and high-precision laser engraving techniques to produce a partially gilded, high-relief coin with astounding levels of detail in the reverse design. The 2017 Shades of Nature coin depicts a hummingbird hovering in mid-flight while drinking from a bushel of cardinal flowers. This proof coin is struck from 99.9% pure silver and is treated to a selective gold cladding, leaving the highest relief details untreated to produce a stunning gold and silver contrast cameo. Previous releases in the series have included 2014's Honeybee, the Butterfly coin from 2015, while Siamese Fighting Fish featured on the 2016 coin in the series. The coin is housed in a custom-made wooden display case similar to the previous coins in the series. This crown-sized proof coin measures 38.61 millimeters or 1.52 inches in diameter and tips the scales at 25 grams or 0.88 ounces. The total mintage of 2,000 coins sold out at the mint almost instantly after CIT revealed the coin earlier this year. The 2017 Shades of Nature coin is expected to retail for around $95 each. However, that number will be subject to your dealer's discretion. A complete review of this coin is now available on the World Numismatic News website. A link to that is listed in the description below. Tell me what you think of the Shades of Nature series in the comments section below. Remember to stay subscribed to this channel for the latest in world coin and banknote news. This has been the World Numismatic News. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.